13. Ice cover simulation and analysis. Click the Simulation Condition menu. Click the Simulation button to add the PowerLine vector file. Select the PowerLine type. Switch the Simulation Parameter tab and set the ice thickness of the simulated condition wire. Select the insulator file and specify the simulated vector line file and the simulated working condition file. Right-click, add the simulated PowerLine vector file. Click the Start button to run. It can be seen that the wire has moved down after the wire is covered with ice. Click the Danger Points button to add the ice simulation file, and click the Start button to calculate the simulated clearance danger point. Click the Image button and select the Clearance Danger option to generate the image. Click Report button to add ice simulation file. Select Based on Simulated Data, select Clearance Danger for detection type, enter the line name and click Start button to generate the report. Click the Open